In this video, we will see how do we find inverse of a given function. Okay, so these are the steps that we need to follow to find the inverse of a function. First of all, we will write your function in the form like y equal f of x. You will be given a function fx equal to some value, say maybe x plus 2 or something. Okay, so you have to write down the very first step is write down y equal f of x. After that, you have to solve for x in the terms of y. It means you need to find the value of x. This value will be in terms of y. And then you have to switch the x and y's. Means you change. You change or you replace x to y and y to x. And then you get your inverse function as y. Let's see it with the help of an example. Suppose you have this question where you have to find the inverse of the function fx, which is equal 5x plus 6. So following the first step, we write y equal 5x plus 6 because this is what first step says. Write y equal f of x. Then, based on the second step, what is required here? Solve for x in terms of y. It means find the value of x in terms of y. So here we need to find the value of x in terms of y. So what we will do for that, right? Y equal 5x plus 6. We rewrite it as 5x plus 6 equal y. Now we need to find x. So it means we don't need any other number over this side. So what we will do, we take 6 on the other side. I hope you remember when we move a number from left to right or right to left, we change the sign. If it is plus, we make it minus. So it becomes minus 6. If it was minus, it will become plus. Now, still, we need the value of x only. We don't need this number 5. So to cancel that, we divide both sides by 5. So what happened here is this 5 gets cancelled and we left with here on this side as the value of x, which is y minus 6 over 5. So this is nothing but the value of x. Then what the next step says? Third step says that we done with step 2. Third step says that switch x and y. So it means replace x with y and y with x. So going to step 3, what we have to do? Wherever we see x, we have to change it to y, and wherever we see y, we have to change it to x, keeping other things unchanged. So in place of x, we write y, and other things same. In place of y, we write x, and we will not change any other things. Minus 6 same, divide by 5 same. So we're done with this third step. Then moving to step 4. Step 4 is nothing but your answer. The result is y equal. So this value of y is nothing but your inverse function. So they said that y equal f inverse of x. So it means your inverse function f inverse of x is equal x minus 6 over 5. So for the function fx is equal to 5x plus 6, f inverse of x is x minus 6 over 5. Okay.